Hello, this is Tina, and last step, okay, of our web container. And this step, we will continue on our servlet lifecycle, and it's called a destroy method. Okay, so let me go back to our servlet lifecycle to explain the last step. Okay, so now go back to OneNote. I hope you guys, if you follow my videos, you should be seeing this servlet lifecycle, this note, right? And we already implement service, and there's one more, which is when we shut down our Tomcat, when we shut down our container, web container, before we exit all the thing, it will call the destroy method as a clean up resource method. So the last step in the servlet lifecycle is destroy. Destroy method. Okay, destroy method. This method is also, I think it's all defined in generic HTTP servlet, but it has default implementation, I think, in HTTP servlet. Okay, I hope everything I say, this part, I think is correct. It's part of HTTP servlet, and different from this init method. Init method in servlet specification, it will pass the servlet config, this parameter. Destroy method, nothing will be no parameter. Okay, and this destroy method will be also only called once in entire lifecycle, only once entire lifecycle of servlet. Okay, only once, like init. And this method is being called when we shut down Tomcat, which is the web container. And it will call destroy method if you override in your servlet. And the destroy method is used, suppose in the init method you open some connection to database or opening some files. Then in the destroy method you can close the connections. And after destroy method is being called, and the servlet object is ready for garbage collection. Okay. So now let's implement that. Okay, in our code. Okay, so destroy method, it cannot go to our each thread, which is the socket handler. It will be in our container. Where is my container? Okay, in the container, how to mimic the behavior, which is when I stop our container, the destroy method will be called. Oh, okay. First, did I have the here? Okay. First, let's have this destroy method being defined in our HTTP servlet. I forgot this part. Okay, HTTP servlet, the API. We will define a destroy method, mimic the behavior. Okay, no parameter. And then here we will add a system out like here. We will call destroy method. Okay, give a default, or you can send this should be have some default. By default, to get to post, you can give not implement the exception or error. Okay, and then in our hello world and sign up, we will customize them or override them. Destroy, and here we just system out. Clean up resources in hello world servlet destroy method. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, and now we go to our sign up. destroy. Okay, and here we will, oh my god, here we will say close connections in sign up servlet destroy method. Here I'm using this thing. Okay, and destroy, and also destroy, and also will be called by the container. Okay, when the container shut down, and to mimic the behavior. What's the behavior? Which means when I stop our container, right? Stop the entire application, stop Tomcat, the destroy method will be called. Okay, how to do that? This is a mimic the behavior, okay, not the real implementation in Tomcat. We just use it to do similar life cycle as Tomcat do for our servlet. So there's one hook, which is when we shut down the application, we can add a hook. It's in runtime dot get runtime. There's a add a shutdown hook. See here, add a shutdown hook, and there's a thread. We will give a thread, new thread, and we will give implementation to run. And from here, we can do is to here the handler will store all the servlet, right? And we will get the handlers, and then from handler we get all the servlets, and from there we call destroy. Okay, this is to mimic the behavior. So here we will get handler is from container dot handlers, then we will for each. Okay, and the key is a URL. Actually the value is servlet. Okay, and we don't care about the the URL. We only call servlet dot destroy method. Got it? So now when we stop it, the hook will be invoked. Then you will see here to servlet, the destroy method will be called. Okay, so let me run and show you. Now, when the application starts, Tomcat will create an instance and call the init method only once. And then when I call do get and do post, the service method will be called, right? And now when I shut down application, click shut down, you will see here, sign up, destroy method code, hello world, destroy method code. This is exactly the lifecycle flow happened in real Tomcat and servlet application. Okay, and here has one warning for you. This runtime, don't put it here. Okay, don't put it here. Okay, if you put it here, nothing will happen. The reason for that is what? Because in the start we have a while true, and which is always running. Then this if you put it here. Oh my god, destroy. Okay, if we put this piece code here, then nothing will happen, because it never get into this piece of code, because in this start method it has a while true. Okay, so make sure don't put after this start, after while true. Okay. Oh my god, congratulations for all of us. So we have a bunch of the videos talking about our container. I think if you guys can follow all those videos about web container, you are really clearly about you are fully understand what happened about servlet lifecycle. And later on, the next video I'm trying to show you is in the Tomcat, real Tomcat, and also demo you the real servlet lifecycle. You can compare I think I mimic everything. Okay, so thank you for watching my videos, and see you probably tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.